up, guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got the rose gold edition of the Galaxy Watch. Now this one is for the missus, this one isn't for me, but we decided to go ahead and do a review just in case you guys wanted to take a look at it. Ladies, this one really goes out to you, and there are some guys with smaller wrists that likes rose gold. This one is for you too. All right, so we took the tab off already so we can make for a quick review. So let's go ahead. Let's unbox it. Take a closer look at it together. My first time really taking a look at this. Take a look at it. It looks really, really nice. Now in person, it really looks rich. It's a very nice looking smartwatch. I like the band that they gave to go with this to tie into it. Of course, you could buy your own band. This is going to be a 20 millimeter lug too, exactly. Very nice. Let's go ahead and see what else is in the box. If you watch my other videos, you probably got an idea as to what's going to come in here, but we'll go through it anyway. We got your charging cord. Take this out of the bag. It's your charging cord, comes with it. You also got your wireless dock. There you go. All right, and what's on the other side? Of course, you got your booklet. So for those of you all who are new to the smartwatch game, Samsung, make sure you don't throw that away. You get an extra band to go with it. That would be this one. Very nice for them to give an extra band. Looks like this, just like the one you got on your watch. And what else we got? And we got the charging brick. We're not going to take, well, might as well. This is the charging brick. All right. So make sure you use this one when you're charging your smartwatch. All right, I think that's it. That's all. Let's get rid of the box. All right, there we go. All right, let's take a look at the baby. Very nice, very rich, nice and polished. Looks elegant. I kind of like it. I also like those too. They tie in real well with the color. Not bad at all. Let's power this up. I think it's the bottom button that powers it up. There we go. So are you thinking about getting a smartwatch? If you are, this may be the one. I mean, you got to see this in person. It really, really looks nice. Looks elegant. It looks a lot better to me, in my opinion, than this one. I'm just saying, I'm just being really honest. It has more of an elegant look to it. But it's nice. I like it. Now this is taking a long time to boot up. All right, finally. All right, you all. So it looks like we got to go ahead and pair this up. We're going to pair this up. We're going to come back and we're going to take a closer look at it to help make it easier for you to make a decision on if you want to buy this smartwatch or not. All right, you all. So pause the video. I'll be right back. Okay, you all, we got it all paired up. We are ready. Listen, first things first, this watch is absolutely gorgeous. Now, they call it rose gold. Now, it looks more gold to me than a rose gold, which looks a lot better. You're going to be impressed when you see this thing in person. And if you want to take a peek at it, you're not ready to buy, go down to Best Buy. They should have it on display right now. I'm telling you, this watch is absolutely gorgeous. I like it a lot better than I like the 46 millimeter. It looks more elegant. It looks more polished. You can see the size difference in this 42 millimeter versus the 46. But it looks good, ladies. It looks good. Guys, with the smaller wrists, you're going to like this. First of all, it's lightweight, but it has some premium feel to it. It does have a little weight, but not enough to be feeling heavy on your wrist. You're gonna like this. Now, what I like about it most is that this ties into the gold nicely. It just really highlights the watch itself along with the watch face. Doesn't look bad at all. Also, the button placement also ties into the color very well. Makes it look very premium. I like that. On the back, you're going to get your heart rate monitor. It looks a little bit different than that of the previous watch, the Gear Sport. My wife has that one. And yeah, this is nice, people. I'm liking it. But let's go ahead. Let's take a closer look around. First of all, you get a 20 millimeter band. You got these quick connect pins. Makes it easy for you to take on, take off, so you can replace the band whenever you get ready with whatever type of band you want to put on here, which is always welcome, right? And you got a nice looking watch face that's being shown. We're going to go through the watch faces in a second. And for those of you all who don't know, this is the rotating bezel. You can rotate and navigate through your smartwatch without touching the screen. And you can also have an option to do that without touching the screen at all, period. Now to this side, you're going to get your notifications. I like that. And the notifications are all going to be grouped. Like if it's email, it's going to be email. If it's Gmail, it's going to be Gmail. If it's a WhatsApp, it's going to be a WhatsApp. So whatever notification that you got coming through is going to be grouped in that particular notification, which is awesome. The best on any smartwatch yet. Now, when we go this way, we go to our widgets. Now you can put almost whatever widget you want to put on here, contacts, notifications, you want to put on your music, you want to put your S Health on here, whatever you want to put on here, weather, you can do, and you get many to choose from. Let's take a closer look at this. Get many to choose from. It's not bad at all. I love this. Look. And then you get to the end and you can also add more. So I'm liking this. I'm liking this. This is definitely a good look. And let's take a look at your applications. Now these are your applications. You can use the rotating bezel for that as well. Just go ahead and scroll around to the next one. And once you get to where you want to go, you can just simply tap on it and you're in. Let's take a look into the settings. And in the settings, I like it. It's very fluid. It's very fast. The RAM on here has been beefed up a little bit. So it's going to be quick. It's going to be fast. You're going to like this in the door. Plus you get a bigger battery in this one. I believe, no, not a bigger battery, but you get a different chip. So it should be nice. They're saying 4 days of battery life. I am not through testing the battery life on this one yet. Not yet. So I'm loving it, people. Let's take a look at the watch faces. Now the watch faces are pretty nice, very customizable, and you can swipe through the many that they have, and they have quite a few, and they're all really nice. You're gonna like it. So stop down at Best Buy, take a closer look at this. I'm gonna leave a couple of links in the description down below, just in case you're thinking about buying it right now, because it's such an awesome look. But Samsung did a great job on the hardware of this watch. Looks a lot better, as I said, a lot better. Now this looks nice, don't get me wrong, but this rose gold is off the chain. Look at this. Alright you all, that's going to be it for the video. Very quick, very simple. You got any questions, hit me in the comment section down below. I do my best to answer them. And with that, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. And with that, people, I'll see you all at the next video.